Model, 2018 Peugeot partner Berlingo SL1 Blue HDI spares or repairs needs a turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 127036. MOT, the 25th of June 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6FE, BHW-A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Nice easy on and off job. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.